Alright, snore-free nose clips. It promises no more sleepless nights. Comes in this little teeny container, and it's a pretty small little item. It has magnets that they go inside your nose, and then they go together, so they keep it open so that you don't get as much snoring sound. Whereas my husband seems to snore through his throat, not his nose. But he says I snore through my nose, and that this is helping. I don't know. I don't believe I snore, so there you go. But do you know someone who does? This little guy could be helpful and has its own little case. Thank you.